Baie mense dink, ek is nou hier so in Fynbos Heights. Tannie het gebel vir 'n langerige slang. Hy's hier in die courtyard. Hier so last yeah, right? So I can just go in there.
Yes, so I didn't unlock it.
Okay.
Skaapsteker.
Oh, jeez, okay.
Close the door flat.
Okay, so hierdie is 'n skaapsteker. So hy's nie dodelik giftig nie, né? 'n Skaapsteker. Baie mense dink baie mense dink 'n skaapsteker is dodelik giftig omdat sy naam skaapsteker is. Maar weet julle wat? Lank terug het die boere hierdie ouetjie onder die karkaste gekry van die diere en hulle het gedink hy maak die skape dood. Maar sy gif kan nie 'n skaap doodmaak nie en dit kan ook nie skade doen aan mense nie, so hy het die naam skaapsteker gekry. Maar dit is eintlik skadeloos. Baie mooi slang. Kom ons vat hom gou hier uit. Translated.
Yeah, I heard you.
Sheep stabber.
Yeah.
But it's not actually a highly venomous snake, so at least it can't kill you, if that makes sense. But it's always better to call if you don't know. But yeah, we'll take him away and take him to a nice nature reserve. They are extremely fast. So if this snake was to get into grass or anything like that, it disappears within a heartbeat.
Okay.
Yeah, quite common, but on our call-outs, I got to tell you that this is one of those snakes that we actually don't get that much.
Okay.
Usually we get boomslangs and puffaders.
Yeah.
This one not so much. Ons gaan hom gou wegvat vir die mense. En ja, is lekker. Ons kry hulle nie elke dag nie, so is baie nice om uiteindelik weer een te kry. En hierdie is 'n ordentlike saai skaapsteker. Hy's amper hoe groot hulle word. Hulle kan 'n bietjie langer raak, maar hierdie vir 'n skaapsteker is nogals groot. So ja, as jy kyk daar na sy oogies, sê hulle mooi sien is so rooi. En hulle is blitsvinnig. So as dit 'n warm dag is en jy sien hierdie ouetjie op die gras, dan verdwyn hy binne enkele sekondes. Even if you were to be bitten by a skaapsteker, you'd be fine.
Okay. So who found them?
I did.
When?
Now. Luckily they were around the corner. Corey sent me the number
Yeah, we were literally around the corner. I said the timing was pretty good.
because I went out to pick up that thing for my fob. And I saw the director. I said, thank you, Corey. So I ran for my phone and
So what do you do with it?
Hierdie ek dink is ons tweede een vir die seisoen. So ja, dit is definitief nie iets wat ons elke dag vang nie, maar skaapsteker bly 'n baie mooi slang. So as julle weer so 'n ouetjie kry, dan weet julle wat hy is. When you do find them together, it's usually when the females give off the pheromone for the mating season, and the males will then come and have a look, find out where she is. A fun fact about this specific species of snake is the skaapsteker is one of the few snakes that actually stick with the eggs until they hatch. All other snakes just lay the eggs and leave, but the skaapsteker will actually stay with the eggs. So that's actually quite cool.
he